Our next watercolor live session will take place this Saturday, the 27th of June, and we have a magnificent subject. The subject is beautiful on its own, but if you look at the subject, you're going to see that it's the entire subject. It's not like there's a scene and there's a major subject or major object in the scene. It's actually how we treat the entire image. So this subject, different one from what we've been painting recently, is very much the kind of painting where we can work on how we paint wet on dry and wet in wet. It's very much about the subtleties of variation of tone, of tonal value, of edges, all the things that we've been working on, but that actually work together to create a magnificent scene. That's what this one is. So for this subject, ideally you'll be painting this on a paper like Arches 300 grams fine grain. So that's the cold pressed. Because we're going to need to work in layers. We're going to need to work in layers on wet paper and on dry. Lots of water and playing with our washes. Exactly what everybody tells you what not to do. Everybody says, don't go back into your washes. Sometimes you do. Sometimes you do. And sometimes you need to build that richness up. Otherwise, every single wash is flat. So to avoid painting flat washes, to gain extra texture, extra variation of tone, of shape, of edges, and of color, you're going to have to keep playing with your washes. So let's get these wet washes right. That's what we're going to be doing this Saturday. Make the most of this live being on a Saturday. For anybody who can't normally come on a Monday, take the occasion. It doesn't happen very often. And also take the occasion, the fact that there's still 20% off all of the courses on my website. That will be for the next week. I said that I was going to do 2 weeks of 20% off everything on my website. This is the second week, so make the most of it. And with that, I shall say, I see you on Saturday. See you on Saturday. Happy painting.